Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Shein haul, a little bit of a mini haul, but it's alright. This is the package. I know it doesn't look that big, but that's because I've already taken half of the items out, but I'm still going to show them to you. First though, welcome to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. Make sure that you are subscribed because I do a mystery nail art challenge with these items that I keep buying from Shein. One of the items I got actually is this here ring. I think it's super cute and it doesn't turn your finger green, so that's nice. And then also this ring. It might be plastic, not sure, but I like them. And then what was taking up such a big space in those bags is this. It's a makeup bag. Let me see if I can zoom out and get you a little bit more room. So yes, it looks like this. I got it because it is the right size for these little mini containers, 3 in the bottom, 2 in the top, and I use these to store like charms and stuff. I put them in these little round plastic containers and then keep them in here so they're sorted and organized. I've got like 3 different cases, but I needed some more because I'm gonna have to have somewhere to put these items I've been buying. So that's what was taking up a big chunk of this bag. But there are nail art items, so let's get to them. So let's kind of go in order. Let's do tools first. First, I got this pack of nail files. There was 5, but I already took one out. I got 180 240 grit because I use these for my natural nails. You probably will want a higher grit if you're filing down like acrylic or polygel, but I'm just shaping my own natural fingernails, so I don't need anything too rough. And then I also got these brushes. I got these brushes specifically for picking up glitter. They have this little pointed stippling end, and then they've got this end. These are actually eyeshadow brushes, but I have my nail art brushes are like flat and not so good for that, and so I got this so that whenever I dip it in like a jar of glitter, it'll get all up in these bristles and be better for picking up. And then, you know, you can always use this in to wipe off the excess. So I needed these, and you get 4, so I can use some for eyeshadow should I decide to. I also got these eyeshadow applicators, but this is for applying pigment to the nails. It doesn't go on that well if you use a brush. These sponges are really better for that, so I got a whole little pack of them. White on one side, black on the other. Cute enough. And I also got these little clips. They go over the end of your fingernail with an acetone cotton ball or pad to soak off your product. As I use very little gel, usually for repairing purposes, it's not going to be so much for that, but maybe like when you have stickers and glitter and it's harder to get off, let's put these on there for maybe 5 minutes so it'll go ahead and loosen that stuff up. I don't have to rub and scrub. Next, I got us some beautiful little rhinestones. I got some red ones with all these small and medium and large and largers, and then different shapes. They are super cute, super sparkly. Very excited to have these for Halloween, for Christmas, for Valentine's. Red is a very multi-purposable color. And I also got black because, of course, we need more black. Same situation with the rounds, and they have shapes as well. The shapes are different than the reds, but they are all beautiful and sparkly, and I will be using them as well. It'll be interesting to see how they fit because they are not curved back. They are flat, and my nails are quite curvy, so we'll see. But I'm going to make something happen. And then, just in time for Halloween, I got these little metal sequins. I have a sequined curver, that little heart tool that you smush it in there to make them bend so they'll be nail shaped. These are so beautiful. I like that they are not too wild looking. They're kind of tame, but they're shimmery and I am going to make use of them. Be looking out for that. Also, I got these little spikes. They're silver. It kind of looks like they're clear, but they're not. They're silver. It's for when I'm going to be an edgelord. I can have spiky nails, and 100% I'm doing it. I don't know when or how, but I'm definitely doing it. I'm excited to use these. I don't see anybody using them, so I will. And then, of course, some more paper flowers. These ones are roses. They are quite cute, a great staple item. You can always use roses. And gears. I needed these. I have been waiting to get some gears so I can do some industrial nails. I have this polish from Orly. It's called Stop the Clock. It's kind of a reddy, browny, coppery, chocolatey. It's beautiful, and it's going to look so nice with these. These are gold, and I am loving them. I really like the detail. It's going in and out because I'm holding it so close, but yeah, these look great. This item, let me tell you how in love I am. I just like to shimmer the bag around and look at it. Like, that's amazing. I can't decide if I'm going to place these or if I'm just going to dump the whole bag on because it is stunning. Look at all that. Cannot wait to make something happen with these. I'm obsessed. And then I have some charms. They are curved, so that's good. They're little moons. There's some pearly ones and some with some AB rhinestones. I'll probably not be using the pearly ones unless some sort of occasion calls for it, but the rhinestoney ones, absolutely. And the clear rhinestones as well. I'm a huge fan of clear. So those are really nice. You can never have too many charms, but what you can have is charms that are too big, and these are small, so they'll fit on my little nails. And then I've got a selection of stickers slash water decals. These ones are water decals that I wanted to share. These leaves are very trendy currently. I will get lots of use out of them. They appear to all be the same, just 4 sheets of them, so that's fine. And let me show you these. These are going to go on top. Some sort of stone color, I would imagine. Give a nice marble design. I like how long they are, so if you are doing a long nail set, you can still make use of these. And then this one is actually one long sticker. So imagine if you had an uber long nail, you could still use it. And then also there's some smaller versions, which are super cute, and I will definitely make use out of these as well. I believe they're more my size. These ones with the little lines are kind of interesting. Yep. And you know what else is super popular right now is snakes. Those snake charms are everywhere, but they're so big. These are stickers, and they come in small sizes, so I can join the snake trend as well, but in a more dainty application. I really like them. These half butterflies are going to come in handy. I sure wish I had them the other day when I had to do a butterfly set and I didn't have any butterfly stickers, and the rhinestones, they weren't rhinestones. The sequins I was using just were not it. They didn't pull the look together. So I am happy to have those. And then these are cute. They are stars and butterflies and moons and a little Pegasus. Definitely going to make use of these in some sort of cosmic set. Maybe with this black hollow that I have. It is from Color Club, and it is absolutely stunning. If you do follow me on Instagram, there's actually a photo of a set that I did some time ago with that black hollow. And then I've got some more of these type of leaves. These ones are smaller, a little bit thicker, so it's a little bit different of a design, but still super useful. I'll definitely find a way to use these. I'm really excited about these. These ones are just white, and they'll go over any sort of color and give it almost like a wispy look, and I really find these stunning. Feathers are not necessarily my favorite thing. I don't use a lot of feathers, but I didn't know they were part of the pack, and I'm still excited that they were. This is really nice. These look like they are fish. Betta fish probably, and I love this. This will definitely make an appearance when I do some sort of aquatic set, probably in the summer. But the real seller for me was these roses. I absolutely love these roses. They're like ghost roses, and it's gonna be so nice when I do some sort of elegant, eerie set. Definitely looking forward to using these, and the cute little words are fine as well. Maybe I'll incorporate them. I don't usually put words on my fingernails because who's reading them, but maybe I'll bust them out at Valentine's time. These are so pretty. And last but not least, this tiny little stamping plate with marbling so that I can do easier marbling styles, because I'm going to let y'all in on a little secret. I'm horrible at marbling for whatever reason, be it where you scoop it in and pour it on there, or be it where you drag it around with something sharp while it's wet, or when you paint it on with a detail brush. I am terrible at marbles. So my plan is to just stamp them on. We'll see. Maybe I'll put it over some alcohol inks, which by the way I'm also terrible at, so that's not solved my marbling problem. But we're going to figure it out, and if we don't, we'll just have fun. So that is what I got. Not too giant of a haul. It's a little mini haul, but it's, you know, October. It's a Halloween haul. Maybe. My intention was to do one big haul per season, but I keep finding occasions where I need more items. And definitely there's going to be a Christmas haul as well. So again, make sure you're subscribed so you do not miss that. But that's it. So thank you for watching my video. Leave me a comment. Which item did you like the best? Do you own any of these items? Would you go buy any of these items after having seen them? I think they are glorious. And I love when I see things that I want on these hauls, because you bet straight to Shein I am going and putting it in my cart for when I can no longer resist purchasing it. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comments. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.